From the world of business, we move over into the arts, where as authorities continue to appeal for compliance with COVID-19 lockdown regulations, Zimbabwean artists continue to play their part by intensifying awareness campaigns through music as well as social media. Let's get more.
With the globe closing in on 2 million confirmed COVID-19 cases, many countries, including Zimbabwe, have resolved to enforce lockdown to curb the spread of the deadly pandemic. Prominent Maskandi artists Zinjaziyamluma and Doit have taken to social media to engage their followers on the need to endure patiently the lockdown guidelines.
COVID-19 coronavirus. Bafowethu lesifo siyabulala. Asizameni ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi sisithole siphephile. Mabe sixwayisa ukuthi asingayenzini ukuthi asilandele into kwabakushoyo. Sizosithola siphephile lapho esikhona. Singabaculi thina siyandinga kakhulu.
Siyanicela siyanixwayisa ukuthi nihlale ezindlini singaphikisani nemithetho kahulumeni. Vikeleka kuvikela wena.
Mpopo Mabon Blessing Zulu, known in the music circles as Z Zulu Boy, collaborated with Cheslami and Liliana of Namibia to release Asibambaneni, a COVID-19 awareness song. President Emerson Mnangagwa, who is on a tour assessing adherence to lockdown by citizens, has commended Zimbabweans for complying with the set guidelines. Innocent Ngumalo, ZBC News, Bulawayo.
Quite encouraging to see different Zimbabweans across the board take on the fight against the COVID-19 outbreak with hands and hearts together.